Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, members of Kazakhstan business delegation, Pakistani entrepreneurs, Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, Deputy Prime Minister of Kazakhstan, Sharik Sumangrin, Honorable members of Kazakhstan delegation, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Your Excellency, I am extremely delighted to welcome my dear brother, President Qasim Tokayev, to this wonderful event where outstanding businessmen from Kazakhstan and Pakistan are participating, and this will augur wonderfully well for our future. This morning we had extensive discussions as to how to further enhance our trade in agriculture, IT, minerals, and connectivity, which is central to this entire discussion. Many Central Asian countries being landlocked, Pakistan offers Your Excellency outlet through Gwadar and Karachi, and NLC, which is a very efficient state-owned company of Pakistan, is fully geared to transport goods from Central Asian countries to our ports, and then, of course, from Karachi and Gwadar to Kazakhstan and other Central Asian countries. And this is a great opportunity, as Your Excellency is deeply interested in developing at a very rapid pace rail and road connection through Turkmenistan, and then to Chaman. Pakistan is fully committed to participate and contribute meaningfully in undertaking this project, as it will be a game changer not only between our two countries, but this will change the landscape economically, the entire region. Your Excellency, as we discussed this morning, despite our fraternal relations and deep bonds of friendship, our trade volume, as I speak, hovers around $250 million, which is not a fair reflection of our brotherly relations, and of course, infinite potentials the two countries have from Allah Almighty in various walks of industry, agriculture and mining, IT, pharmaceutical, engineering, manufacturing, and all other important areas of commerce and trade. Your Excellency, today we agreed to strive our best to achieve a target of $1 billion trade in the next 2 years. And let us resolve today that we will do everything within our domain to achieve this target even earlier. And ladies and gentlemen, the most encouraging decision of today's interaction has been that while I am very grateful to my dear brother for inviting me to visit our brotherly country, Kazakhstan, within this year, and I accept this invitation with a sense of great happiness and gratitude. We have decided to constitute a working group between the two countries, which will be tasked to undertake a 5 years program as to how to enhance our commerce, trade and bilateral investment portfolios. And my dear brother President Tokayev accepted this proposal immediately, and from our side we have appointed Dr. Ahsan Iqbal as head of our Pakistan side, and President Qasim Tokayev has appointed Deputy Prime Minister Sarek Zumangaren from Kazakhstan side. And I think this will be a very important decision which will lead to a wonderful 5 years roadmap, and hopefully we will sign this document during my visit to your great country, Mr. President. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we should accept the challenge and convert this very friendly relation into very friendly commercial business relations. Time and tide wait for none. So let's accept the challenge and move forward with a sense of achievement, and I can assure you, sky would be the limit. Excellency, I would like to mention one of those MOUs out of 37 signed today, which will again become harbinger of our bilateral prosperity and progress, and that is development of Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan rail route, and cooperation between our ports to connect our regions and optimize our respective transit potential. Finally, I would like to convey my sincere message to Pakistani business community sitting here in this hall and those who are not here, that my very dear brother, President Qasim Tokayev, is visiting Pakistan after 23 years. The last Kazakh president, Mr. Nur Sultan, was here in 2004. And this shows my brother's commitment and his love for the people of Pakistan. And I think this is where we are extremely happy and deeply grateful. He is a very accomplished politician. He has served on various positions, important positions, in the last many decades, not only in Kazakhstan, serving its people, but globally, United Nations. He has been in China, Russia, and carries vast experience at his disposal. Today is the time that we should benefit from his experience, from his vision, and make today as a great day in our history, and commit today that we will do everything within our domain to convert our friendly ties into the most going commercial business ties around the globe. Pakistan, Kazakhstan friendship, long live Zindabad.